Experiencing a sore throat could be due to sinus issues or allergies. Bad breath is often blamed on food choices. However, both symptoms might be caused by a lesser-known issue, tonsil stones. These can be annoying and uncomfortable. Tonsil stones form when debris like food particles and mucus get trapped in the small pockets of your tonsils. Over time, this debris hardens and calcifies into stones. People with chronic tonsil infections or inflammation are more likely to develop these stones. While they can be large and painful, most are small and manageable. Eating a diet rich in probiotics can help introduce good bacteria into your system, preventing tonsil stones. Maintaining proper hygiene by gargling with salt water and drinking plenty of water also helps. Despite precautions, tonsil stones may still form. Natural remedies include using cotton swabs, gargling with salt water or apple cider vinegar, and eating crunchy foods like apples. If symptoms worsen or persist, consult a medical professional for further treatment. They can ensure there are no underlying issues causing the tonsil stones. Like, share and subscribe for more health tips.